Hello boss, this is Sarah from Hebei Fanlian Machinery. We have more than 20 years manufacturing and exporting machinery experience. We have our own factory research team, production team, selling team, after-sale service team. We pay much attention to every customer and order. Our philosophy is that transactions are just the beginning, and services never stop. Our main product is wire mesh welding machine. Welcome for inquiry. As soon as we receive your inquiry, we will try our best to support you.